Yeah, man.
Hello, my name is Miguel and today I'm gonna make for you oven jerk chicken. You will need chicken parts, teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons jerk seasoning. Visit Jamaican cookings.com for the recipe. First, measure and put aside seasonings. Measure 3 tablespoons of chicken seasoning and then put it on the plate. Buy your favorite brand of ready-made jerk seasoning. Measure and put on a plate 1 teaspoon salt. I am using sea salt. Next, prepare chicken. Put piece newspaper nearby. Get a big enough bowl. Put the chicken in the bowl and then add water. Ensure the chicken is defrosted. Use a knife. Clean chicken properly. Go between the chicken's flesh. Look for anything that is not chicken and then remove it. Trim fat. Go where the butcher chopped off the chicken's wing. Clean that area properly. Push your finger through it. Ensure you do not feel nor see chicken feed on the breast. You could rip off the chicken's skin or let it stay. Use the knife. Scrape the chicken's skin slightly. This is to ensure it's clean. Use the knife. Go where the bone is. Remove clot blood. Look on the chicken properly. Remove anything that is not chicken. This is a chicken's thigh. Clean the chicken's thigh properly. Go where the bone is. Remove clot blood. Use a knife. Trim fat. Go between the chicken's thigh. Use the knife. Scrape the chicken's thigh skin. Clean it properly. Cut off the chicken's butt that is on the chicken's thigh. And then clean that area good. Go between the chicken's thigh. Clean that area properly. Look on the wing and then clean it properly. Remove anything that is not chicken's flesh. After that, throw away this dirty chicken water and then pour fresh water on it. Sprinkle several drops of distilled white vinegar on it. Use your fingers. Rub between the chicken. Clean the chicken properly. Once you did that, throw away this water and then pour fresh water on it. Give chicken a final rinse. It's best if you do this part on the fresh running water. Next, drain excess water. Put chicken in a colander. Allow the water to drain off. If you're in a hurry, do like me. Put the chicken between your palms and then squeeze it. Squeeze it to remove excess water. Allow the chicken to drain excess water. This is good enough. Ensure the bowl is dry and clean as well. After that, put cleaned chicken in the bowl. Add teaspoon salt. Use your fingers. Coat the chicken evenly with salt. After that, add jerk seasoning. The rule is use 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning for 1 chicken part. I am baking 3 chicken parts, therefore I'm using 3 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. Now, use your fingers. Rub the jerk seasoning on the chicken properly. Coat the chicken evenly with jerk seasoning. Put jerk seasoning between the flesh. Go where the bone is. Rub the jerk seasoning on the chicken's bone. Rub the jerk seasoning on the chicken's skin. Try not to put too much jerk seasoning between the skin and the flesh, but still rub the jerk seasoning on and in the chicken properly. You could allow the chicken to marinate for between 4 hours room temperature. Nevertheless, if you allow it to marinate 24 hours overnight, that's best. Keep the chicken in the refrigerator while it is marinating. This is it. That's all you need. Use a lid. Cover the bowl properly. Next, bake jerked chicken. Preheat oven 10 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit Now get a baking tray ready. I am using this 14-inch stainless pizza tray. Ensure the baking tray is dry. Take the chicken's thigh, lay it right side down, skin side down on the tray. Use the jerk sauce in the bowl. Use the chicken part, rub it out on the chicken. Now, take the chicken's breast, lay it right side down, which is the skin side on the tray. Put it on the tray. Keep chicken at least 1 inch apart. Fold the chicken's wing and then put it on the tray right side down. After preheating oven, put chicken in the hot oven. Put it on the very last tray on the bottom. Close oven. Now, set the timer for 45 minutes. Allow. Close oven. Keep the oven closed within the time. This is the jerk chicken in the oven after 15 minutes. Keep the oven closed within the time. Do not open it. Allow. After 30 minutes, this is the jerked chicken in the oven. Leave it, let it bake properly. It has 10 minutes to go. Look at it. 2 minutes left. The time is going down. Get a cooking fork ready. After time, take the chicken out of the oven. And then turn the gauge on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip the chicken's wing on the other side. Use the cooking fork. Go under the chicken that is on the tray. Flip chicken on the other side. Flip the chicken's thigh on the other side. You might need to be a little bit forceful. The chicken could be sticking on the tray. Flip the chicken's breast on the other side. Try to keep the chicken's skin on the chicken. Don't let the chicken's skin break off on the tray. If it is sticking on the tray, use the cooking fork. Pluck off it. Once you did that, put chicken back in the oven. And then set the timer for 10 minutes. Allow chicken. This is the final step. After 5 minutes on 450, this is the chicken. Listen how it sizzles. Listen to the sizzling. Leave the oven closed within the time. Let it stay. It's near to the end. After time, take chicken out of the oven. To let the kitchen get cool fast, leave the oven open. This is oven baked jerked chicken. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try jerk chicken this way. When you do, come back. Share your experience with us. Oven baked jerk chicken. This is fast oven jerked chicken. Pour ketchup on it or eat it plain. Eat this oven baked jerk chicken with rolls, bread, rice or rice and beans. In Jamaica we call it rice and peas. Vegetable or a vegetable salad, crackers, etc. The flavor of this oven baked jerk chicken made with ready-made jerk seasoning, it tastes ordinary to me. This is oven baked jerk chicken with ready-made jerk seasoning. If you want to see how I baked jerk chicken using homemade jerk seasoning, look for it on this channel. If you want to see how I oven slow jerked chicken look for it on this channel. Share this oven baked jerk chicken video, jerked chicken recipe with everyone. The meat is tender. This jerked properly. Oh yes, there are two types of ready-made jerk seasoning, mild or spicy. You choose. This one that I'm using is mild. This oven-baked jerked chicken is juicy. It is not spicy, flavor is mild. It is just delicious. Does it look delicious to you? Megan, until next time, walk good.
Yeah, man.